Weekend Modder here with a quick send-in service proof video for Kyle A. of Illinois. Kyle, this is the console that you sent in. This is a very late model E-Series console, so it's a Corona 4 gig that did require a postfix adapter, so I think that puts it in the like V5 sort of range. The versions aren't really all that important. But again, it did require a postfix adapter, and it was a 4 gig. We RGH'd it using the ACE V3 non-CR4 speedup, so it's the default timing file of the ACE V3, which really works well in these Corona consoles. In the disk on the top here, we've got your original NAND dumps, CPU key, Freestyle Dash, Dash Launch, XEX menu, and Aurora Dash, all of which are also installed on the console. You can see there we got a nice quick boot. The console by default here will start up directly into Freestyle Dashboard. Once it's into Freestyle Dash, you can navigate all around, take a look at the additional links that I will send in the final confirmation email, as there's some useful info in there for you. So thank you very much for your business. We'll go ahead and get this thing packed up, and it'll head back out on its way to you tomorrow. This console actually arrived on the 2nd. Today is the 5th, so that's a 3-day turnaround time sort of thing. So definitely staying well under our 10 business day maximum guarantee. I hope that you enjoy, and thanks again for your business.